Dori Soukup here with another question of the week. This week's question is perfect. I'm so glad we got it because many people ask me actually this question. Can you make money with Botox? Well, the answer, of course, is yes, you can make money with Botox. Why can't you make money with Botox? As a matter of fact, the only reason people don't make money with Botox is because they play the price war games. Everybody's trying to see how much cheaper they can sell it for. So I do this fun exercise during our seminars, especially like the Leap Ahead or when I speak at conferences all over the country. I ask people, who here offers Botox? Stand up. So I make everybody stand up. Then I say, okay, how many people are selling Botox for $10 or less? Sit down. And about half the room usually sits down. Then I go, how many people are selling it for 11 or less? Then a few more people sits down. Then 12 or less, 13, 14, and usually I get up to 15, and there's usually about 1 or 2 people standing up. Then my question to the group is, why can they sell it for $15 a unit? Or I have some clients, Dr. Levy, for example, sells it for 15 and a half a unit. And why can somebody else only charge $9 or even less a unit? Why? What separates these people? And then I get all kinds of answers like, well, it's the location, where they are, it's the clientele, it's this, it's that, every kind of excuse in the book. The reason they get 15 and a half and somebody else gets only 10 is because that's what you're asking for. It's because you're not owning your ground. You're not getting paid your true worth, or maybe you're not thinking highly enough of yourself that you are worthy to charge 15 and a half a unit. So it's all about you. It's all about what you ask for. It's all about your expertise and how confident you are in your ability. So to answer the question, David, definitely you can make money with Botox. You just have to price it properly. As a matter of fact, people ask me all the time, what's the most profitable treatment in the business? Every treatment should be profitable, or why have it, right? So I hope I answered your question. Go ahead, own your ground, get the confidence, raise your price. Instead of being the cheapest, you should be proud to be the most expensive. So that's my answer to you. Of course you can. Just make the necessary changes. If you need help or you need to know how to increase your prices, there is a method for it. So don't just go from $10 to $15 a unit. There is a method to actually doing it, but I can help you get there. So hope I answered your question. So if you too have a question, make sure you email it to Dori, D-O-R-I, at inspirationmanagement.com, and I will answer your questions too. Until next time, you stay inspired. Bye now.